I'll make it all come true.
Find the person who's living your ideal life. Go to them and say the following: I will work for you for free for the next 90 days. I will work harder and smarter than anyone you've ever met. And when you get in, over-deliver. You better shock them. You better leave them in awe. Nothing is below you. You're willing to do everything. You hustle harder than anybody, and you're doing it all for no money. And you say to them, if at the end of those 90 days, you would rather pay me than lose me, great, I have a job. If not, we shake hands and part ways. All I ask in exchange is knowledge and connections. Those two things will monetize forever. The mistake everybody makes when they get out of fucking school is they try to get as much money as humanly possible. Money only spends once. Knowledge monetizes forever.